Both shovels are at rest. Oh, no. The double dump truck shovel is back, operating again. The other shovel is taking a rest. Now, Charlie Chaplin, he married the daughter of Eugene O'Neill, and I believe he was in his 50s at the time, and she was 18, give or take. And I believe they had like 9 children. It was an extremely successful marriage. So age difference itself is not the determining factor in what brings two people together. It's how they feel about each other. And it's an intangible feeling. And it's not rational, just a feeling. Gentleman meets a lady. Lady meets a gentleman. They seem to be coming from two different places culturally, racially, ethnically, socially, religiously. Yet they connect. Nobody knows why. They don't even know why. They just have that special feeling. And you know that special feeling when you have it. When you just can't get that person out of your mind. Well, you know you want to be with that person no matter what. You don't want to leave that person. I was involved with a lady, a Russian lady, in the late 90s, 1990s. It was a very, very intense interaction. And one day, she came to my apartment. She had an airplane ticket in her possession. She was going back to Russia. We had not argued, nothing like that. She did not explain exactly what was going on. I asked, but she wouldn't explain, at least not to my satisfaction. I think it had something to do with her residency status, whatever. But whatever the reason, she left. Destroyed a relationship. Is that something? And we had a very intense relationship. She met all my relatives and friends. Well, most of my relatives, or many of them anyway, and friends. Went back to Russia. Didn't even consult with me. Sad, isn't it? That just shows that the natural force was not strong enough to have her stay. She took a relationship and demolished it. And in one split second, it was gone. Next thing, she's leaving. I didn't see her again for another 20 years. By that time, that special feeling was long since gone, especially on my part. She was no longer a young woman. And I didn't forget what she did, although I didn't hold it against her. And we did spend a few days together, but only as friends. That was that. I find it to be rather sad, that story. It's not a good idea to sabotage relationships that you're involved in. It's better not to get started with them in the first place. But that's easier said than done. I think most people don't intend to get into a relationship to sabotage it. It kind of works out that way. And that's that. So that's the way it goes. Eventually, we're all going to be part of eternity. You know, be part of that unexplainable, unmeasurable, infinite, the infinity of existence. One day this earth won't exist. One day the sun won't exist. Right now, I don't think that's an immediate issue. But when it comes to eternity, and compared to eternity, what's a billion years? I mean, for us, a billion years is a heck of a long time. But in nature, a billion years is just part of something called eternity, which has no beginning and no end. It's eternal. It goes on forever. It's immeasurable. So, okay. This is more, this is a video of, construction work going on, or excavation work, I should say, going on Belmont Park in the infield. Today is July 3rd, 2023. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Talk to you later. Maybe. Whatever. Hope you're having a good day. Bye. Thanks for watching the video.